going to be making spinach with regatta shells. Step 1, we put the salted water in the boiler. And now we're going to cut up some shallots. I just put 4 tablespoons of butter in and some baby shallots cutted. We are going to whisk this egg with the regatta cheese. This is how you whisk. And spinach is just going all over the place.
Do we like it?
Mm-hmm. Dessert. In strawberry pastry envelope. So we are using it with pie crusts, egg, sugar, and strawberry. We are going to cut it in half. I'll cut 5-inch wide. And now, since we got this and we moved on the rest to the side, as you can see, the egg wash. And you may think that an egg wash is you getting an egg and washing the egg. That's what I thought at first, but it's not that.
Good.
We take a paintbrush.
It's a basting brush.
A basting brush. Same difference.
Not really. One you use for paint, one you don't. Now you're going to paint the envelopes.
Now we're going to paint. Get it? Paint the envelopes.
That's fine. That's how that's working, I guess.
Wow.
Sugar, sugar.
Sugar, sugar.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi. Watermelon sugar. Hi. If any